Hey everyone, welcome back to Lucky Tech Life, where we equip people how to use and learn your device in everyday life. And in this video, I want to show you how you can locate or find your iPhone if you have lost your Apple product. Now, this is one of the things where it's so convenient to use, so convenient to have, because it is a tool that you can use to find and locate your lost device. I see people all the time that lose a device. I help my family all the time in case if they need to search for the device. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down to this channel below and hit that bell button so you're not missing out on any new videos that come out here on this channel. But first, I have my regular homepage on Google Chrome or on Safari. You can pull it up, but you need to pull up the web browser. And on the web browser, what you need to search or look for is iCloud.com. When you are in iCloud.com and you're like, man, I don't remember what my Apple ID is. Well, it's plain and simple. Your Apple ID can be your email. If you've created a brand new iCloud account, you may have at iCloud.com, but almost 80% of the time it is your at Gmail, at Hotmail, whatever it is that you may have put in your Apple ID section. But for me, I put in my email. And when you put in your email, now you want to input your password. Now, the next page is a two-factor authentication. Well, you lost your iPhone. How can you get it? Well, there's multiple ways here. You can get a two-factor authentication to go into your iCloud at full capacity, where if you didn't get a verification code on your phone, you might have a verification code sent to like an iPad, sent to another MacBook, or sent to your Apple Watch. If you didn't get verification code, you can resend a new one. You can send a text message if you have like an Apple Watch, or you can confirm your phone number to get support. But let's say if you're just locating your phone, just trying to find your phone, go into Find iPhone right here. It gives you a quick and easy, simple access after you type in your password. And when you have typed in your password, again, it gives you the accessibility to find your missing device. And that's it. That's all you have to do in order to use the Find My iPhone functionality to find your phone. I really appreciate you guys watching today. If you learned anything from this video, please give that thumbs up. And then if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below along the bell button. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment down below too. And make sure to hit the share button in case if anybody else in your friends or family may find this video more useful in their everyday life. But until next time, I will see you in the next video. Peace.